So this is our 5.4 telescopic lance. This is 5 pieces. This is piece number 1, and then there's 4 telescopic pieces inside. When fully extended, 5.4 meters. So just a little description for you. You connect the hose from your sprayer onto here, just threads on. This is your stop valve. Have it flowing, stop, push down, push forward, constant flow. Pull it back, make sure it's in the off position before you start to spray. Then, to extend, make sure the nozzle is pointing the direction that you want, okay? And then just pull out one section at a time. Pull it out. Each section's just over 1 meter long. Just pull that out, and then you can spray. Okay, you want 2 pieces out. Just pull out the next length, little tweak, and then off you go. And then the same now for the third extension. So this will now be 4 extensions because we've just pulled the third one out. You don't need to be crazy, just a little pull out and spray. And then full extension, pull the last piece out. And again, just that's all you need to do. And then spray. So you can spray each section from about 1.1 up to 5.4. And then on the way back down again, on the floor, just a little push and down. Make sure the nozzle's the direction you want it, and then you can spray. You can be quite rough with it. You can see how strong it is. Down, another section, and off you go. And then another section, and there we go. So, all you need to do is to make sure that the nozzle's facing in the direction you want, because unless it's fully extended, it's not locked. So the nozzle isn't in the right direction. But if you face it in the right direction, and then you lift it out to spray, you can move that around quite a lot, and the nozzle won't move. Still be in the right direction. Likewise, with no extensions out, face it in the right direction, and then you've got a meter extension. And there we are. So this is the 5.4 meter lance. We have the 3.2, which is exactly the same, only with 3 sections, and this is 5 sections. So if you have any questions regarding it, just get in touch with us and we'll help in any way we can.